Now today let's start with chapter number 10, pollution. What is pollution? The pollutants that harm your environment. We have land pollution, water pollution, air pollution. So I will tell you about this. What is pollution? Pollution means dirtying of air, land, water and soil because of harmful or अनप्लीजेंट सब्सटेंस है. जब भी कोई हार्मफुल और अनप्लीजेंट सब्सटेंसेज ऐड हो जाते हैं उसे हम पोल्यूशन कहते हैं. एंड द सब्सटेंस विच पॉल्यूट इज कॉल्ड पॉल्यूटेड. और जो भी सब्सटेंस क्या कर रहे हैं, पॉल्यूट कर रहे हैं, उसको हम पॉल्यूट कहते हैं. एंड द पर्सन और अ फैक्टर दैट पॉल्यूट्स द इन्वायरमेंट, उसको हम पॉल्यूटर कहते हैं. नाउ वी हैव डिफरेंट पॉल्यूशन. Now let's study about the 4 types of pollution. We have air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution and soil pollution. So we have air pollution. There is a balance in the atmosphere among the various gases. Constituents such as oxygen, nitrogen, helium, carbon dioxide, krypton, argon and water vapor. If this balance gets disturbed, it results in pollution and affects the life of the earth very bad. So there the various sources of air pollution are, we have poisonous gases like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, ammonia released from factories and are very harmful for human beings, plants and animals. So industries need work out ways of reducing the amount of harmful gases before releasing their waste matter into environment. और ये क्या करते हैं, waste matter को environment में release करते हैं. Now poisonous gases released from vehicle are the major source of air pollution. Like number of cars, scooter, motorcycle, truck, buses, they are growing rapidly day by day. Like we have auto rickshaw on roads, buses, and they all give out many poison gases which mix up with the atmosphere. They cause nausea, cough, irritation of eyes. जो vehicular pollution है वो एक major threat है environment की. In order to keep the air clean, government should make the use of CNGs in the cities mandatory. So periodic pollution tests should also be carried out by the special official to be appointed for this purpose. The domestic sources of pollution are also not far behind. They include throwing of garbage on the rocks and smoke from the use of wood and coal. Like in various houses, barbecues, dhabas, bonfires, restaurants, the ventilation is inadequate और जो appliances होते हैं वो poorly maintain होते हैं and carbon monoxide may be produced. So burning waste, जैसे आपके dry leaves हो गई, they also cause air pollution and all this cause asthma, bronchitis and lung problem. So the people should be made aware that if they do not check air pollution, they and their children would suffer from the numerous disease and death. So next is tree absorb excess carbon dioxide from the air, but they are being cut down meticulously to build houses, like to make furniture, paper, chopping of trees. से क्या हो रहा है, देखो ऑक्सीजन, ट्रीज हमें क्या दे रहे हैं, ऑक्सीजन दे रहे हैं. भाई जब ट्रीज नहीं रहेंगे तो ऑक्सीजन क्या एवेबिलिटी नहीं होगी, राइट. So what happened, the ratio between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air, which turn badly affects the health of living beings, जिसमें आपके human being included. So we should try hard to plant, protect and preserve more trees and prevent impending hazards from occurring. उन्हें बचाना चाहिए. Next is water pollution. What is water pollution? It is caused by discharging the pollutants into water bodies, lake or river. We have different types of pollutants. जैसे आप discharge कर रहे हो industrial का, sewage का, farm waste का, और garbage और domestic water को de-infectate कर रहे हो. So they are very harmful for the plants and animals for making water. They make water unfit for human use. The fish of such polluted water bodies, if consumed, may cause many waterborne diseases like jaundice, dysentery, and also skin disease. Industries should deoxify waste material before discharging them in water body. The sewage should be treated before being discharged in the water body. और जो human beings हैं, they should not pollute water body by bathing, washing or defecting in water bodies, right? So let us take Delhi as a case study. The river Yamuna has been the main source of drinking water in Delhi for a long time. But it is in very bad state today as it is getting severely polluted every day. So Delhi, if we talk about, alone is responsible for 80% pollution. जो रिवर है उसको कंटामिनेट करा जा रहा है इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट से, जो भी आ रहा है डोमेस्टिक सीवेज से. सो नेक्स्ट वी हैव नॉइज पोल्यूशन. ठीक है, इट्स रिजल्ट टू द हार्ट साउंड कॉज्ड बाय ह्यूमन बीइंग अबव द कंफर्ट लेवल. लोगों को क्या होता है, बहुतों को प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, हार्ट रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम. So like we have motor vehicle, car, bike, truck, etc., aeroplanes and trains, they are leading the source of noise pollution. इससे आप क्या कर सकते हो, इससे लाइट और हैवी मशीन्स का यूज़ कर सकते हो। कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क से भी आपको बहुत बार क्या होता है, नॉइस पोल्यूशन होता है। देन एनिमल्स आर ऑल्सो, ऐसा नहीं है कि खाली ह्यूमन बींग्स अफेक्ट हो रहे हैं, उसके साथ साथ एनिमल्स भी हो रहे हैं। हैव यू सीन डॉग बिकमिंग रेस्टलेस व्हेन द फायर क्रैकर बर्स्ट ऑन दिवाली? We should also contribute in lowering down this noise pollution. Horn should not be blown. देखो स्कूल के पास, हॉस्पिटल के पास आपको ज़्यादा हॉर्न्स वगैरह नहीं देने चाहिए। Then we have soil pollution. It is the result of an application of pesticides and dumping of industry. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, लैंड में इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट को डंप कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। इट्स बिल्ड हार्मफुल सब्सटेंस इन द सॉइल एंड हैम्पर द ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट्स, और ये एडवर्सली क्या करता है, एनिमल की हेल्थ को भी इफेक्ट करता है। और जो सॉइल पोल्यूशन है वो क्या कॉज करता है, सीवरल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स। Like we see that leads to major soil pollution which can cause developmental damage to brain of children and damage the kidney of adult. So then we have soil is one of our major natural resource. Soil formation is very slow and time taking process. Numerous plants and animals depend on soil for their existence. So we should save our soil from being polluted. हमें अपने soil को save करना चाहिए from being polluted. So we can reduce the volume of waste up to 70% by recycling glass, paper, batteries and all. So we have completed this chapter, pollution. Hope you understood each and everything. Now let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.